market can potentially go bullish because, hello mga kamiranda, isang malaking tanong this weekend, Coach, meron bang effect ang assassination ni Trump with Bitcoin? Number one, kamiranda, of course there is. Trump po is being perceived as someone who embraces crypto. Nagkaroon siya ng election donation through crypto and he has opened, has been very vocal in supporting cryptocurrency as a means of payment. Ang kanyang kalaban, Biden and Gensler, are very, very apparent against Bitcoin and cryptocurrency as a whole for the spirit of cryptocurrency. So because of that, may mga speculations that the market can potentially go bullish because, Trump can potentially win because of what have happened, almost heroic, and it can create a bullish scenario. But is that only the reason why the market is pumping? Maiba tayo. Two reasons. Number one, the Bitcoin is rallying because of this yellow arrow. Meron po siyang trend resistance breakout on that trend line, kamiranda. So another thing, from a macro perspective, medyo cooler ang inflation na lumabas noong July 11 on the year-over-year CPI trend of 3.0 versus 3